Halo semuanya. Ya, masih debut lah ya. Sedikit gugup. Nggak gugup sih. Ya udah. Kali ini kita akan bermain Zato. Hosui? I don't know. Ini game bahasa Inggris atau Rusia. Mari kita. Did you know that our sun is very unusual star? Enggak sih. To start with, it's a yellow dwarf. It's considered for just 7 out of 10 of 4 star. Okay. It's an outlier even among those. Most yellow dwarfs are primarily covered with dark spots. Okay, the sun isn't. Okay. It has 3 times the number of white spots. Hmm? Ah. But even so, it works harder than most to shine. Okay. Menurut lo cute? Enggak sih. Menurut gua enggak sih. I don't remember where I read about this. Must have been some newspaper from years ago. But that small piece of trivia still pops in my mind whenever I look at the morning sky. It's not much of the view, to be honest. Not much of a sky, not much of a sun. I guess that's the kind of region it is. Apa ya? Some people say the sun is just lazing around in our parts. What with the constant snow, but people that go around saying that, well, they clearly haven't read the paper, newspaper ya. Di sini ada gambar, tau lah, gue bukan drum ya. Tolong, gue bukan drum. The more I thought about things like that, and the more I learned, the more I realize how incredible everything is. Yeah, okay. I'm not just saying that to mean amazing. I mean to be improbable. Oh, ya nggak tahu dah. You can't deny the world is full of great. It's the ask myself how much of it we can attribute to pure chance. The universe was so kind as to give us both a star and a planet with the perfect condition for sentient life.
Umum.
Just the slightest fluctuation in the composition of our atmosphere, the size of the globe, or the distance between Earth and the Sun, and none of the beauty surrounding us will exist. Some will call it miracle, and of course that's a lovely way to put it, but isn't that giving the world we're living in too little credit? Ah, but it's not why I subscribe to the anthropic principle or anything. I'm not so arrogant as to believe that the universe exists just for our sake, or rather, I'm not sure it exists solely to be observed. When a baby is born, it's not preoccupied with how it is perceived. That consciousness emerges later as the child develops self-awareness. Until that point, its curiosity is aimed at its surrounding. So if anything, it's the opposite of what the anthropic principle entails. We're social creatures, so the need to be observed makes sense for our survival. But to say the universe itself shares that priority doesn't make sense to me. Although you can also think about it this way. A child is curious about the world because it perceives the world as external. But what if the child is the world? I don't know. What if all that it could ever observe exists within itself? What can the all-encompassing universe be curious about? There's nothing but itself, so nothing but itself. Santai, gua gak ngerti cuy. Tolong ngomongnya pelan-pelan. There's nothing else to care about in the world. Apa? Dah. Okay. Even if this wasn't the case when it was born, what if the universe was developed a desire to perceive by others? Is much apa ini? The same way that a child will. What do we do when we want others to perceive us a certain way? We try to mold ourselves accordingly. I think I get it now. Yes. Enggak. It won't. Ya, pendapat lo sendiri dah. It's good, more observation is better. Enggak mau, males. Of course, an endless universe can observe itself endlessly. Yeah. You can say that its observation value equals infinity. The value may be absolute, but it isn't really. Not in the mathematics.
Bizarre.
Plus 1 exists. Infinity tambah 1.
Bizarre.
Bizarre ya. It's a value that the universe could never reach and as a singular. Albeit infinite observer apa lah cok. Ini bukan gibul sih. Okay. This vast mighty universe changes itself so meticulously to make new observer possible. It fine-tuned all its systems so precisely just to have us here. Okay. Dari mana ya lucunya? Dari mana cuy? Iya. Ira Grashevskaya. Oh, karakter kita namanya apa ya? Aduh, skip lagi. Siapa? Disuruh diam cuy. Ira's parents filled the report yesterday night. They haven't seen her since she left for school. Okay. So if any of you have any information that might help me in finding Ira, please report it to the teacher office or the police after the class. That is all. Onto the lesson. A chair cracks in the back. Wait, you really expect us to just study like normal after hearing that? Yeah, we're shocked, you know. Kenapa ya? Wah, udah waktunya ya. Iya udah. Kita save saja sekarang. Setting title yes. Ini akhir videonya karena waktunya sudah mau habis. Kayak presentasi aja ya. Terima kasih sudah mendengarkan. Sayonara, arigatou gozaimasu. Salam dari Binjai.